Have you ever felt like you're always too late to a trade? Like the trend always took off before you entered? I ran 1000 backtests on this simple strategy and the results literally surprised me. We're taking an average 4% per trade, over 2629% total profit. But here's the thing, one small mistake can ruin everything. So stay with me because I'll show you exactly how to use this setup and avoid the number one error that kills profitability. This strategy is built on 3 core indicators. The EMA 50 confirms if the trend is up or down. The linear regression slope is the secret weapon for spotting trend shifts before they happen. And the center of gravity oscillator is the filter that eliminates bad trades and keeps only high profitable setups. But there is a catch, because if you don't set these indicators up correctly, your win rate drops hard. And I'll reveal the exact settings in a moment, so keep watching. Let's discuss first the simple trading rules. Now, for a long trade, the price should be above the EMA 50. The linear regression slope should be above 0 and the center of gravity is higher than the previous one. For short trades, we'll flip the rules. Price should be below the EMA 50, linear regression slope should be below 0 and the center of gravity should be lower than the previous one. Well, this sounds easy, right? But missing just one of these can destroy your profitability. And I'll show you why in just a second, but first let's talk exits, because getting in is easy, but it's more important to know when to get out. For long trades you should exit when the linear regression crosses below its signal line, and for short trades you'll exit when the linear regression crosses above its signal line. If you exit too early, you will leave money on the table, but if you exit too late, your profits will disappear. But now let's go into the most exciting part, the results. I tested this strategy on cryptocurrency and after testing over 1000 trades, here's what I found. The average profit per trade is over 4%, and this resulted in a total profit of over 2600%. I've got a win rate of 43%, and with proper risk management, this is quite good for a trend trading strategy on the 1-day time frame. The max drawdown I got in this test is only 24%, and this is also very favorable because it controls your risks. Now let's take a look at the more important charts. This chart here is the full equity curve of the strategy. You can see consistent profit growth, especially during the 2021 bull run. But be aware, drawdowns can exceed over 20% in some cases. And what you can say about this is that this strategy is powerful in strong trends, but you must manage risks during choppy markets. Most trades close between 100 and 250 minutes, and this indicates that this is a short-term trend strategy. So this strategy aims for quick exits, perfect for traders who want to have fast-moving trends. If we inspect the crypto pairs used during the backtest, we can find out where the strategy thrives and struggles. Here are some pairs with over 300% returns, but also big losers with over 200% losses. Although 75% of trading pairs favor this algorithm, the main takeaway is that this strategy works best on strong trending altcoins. Not all pairs are suitable. And you will have to find out yourself if your preferred trading pairs will work well with this strategy too. But now the secret setting that boosts profits, because most traders get this wrong and it costs them thousands. Here is the optimized setting you need to use for the linear regression slope. The curve length should be 21, the slope length 10 and the signal length also 10. And with these settings this strategy became way more responsive, improving the win rate and overall profitability. Without this tweak the profits will drop, and that's why most traders fail with trend strategies. They don't optimize their indicators well enough. If you want to have the exact Python code I used for backtesting, or want to have the full strategy report with all trades, win rates and settings, everything is available on my Patreon right now. The link is in the description. And if you're new to algorithmic trading, I've got you covered as well, because I wrote a step-by-step book that teaches you how to create your own trading bot, how to backtest strategies like a pro, and how to analyze your results before trading live. I wish I had this book when I started out this great endeavor, but you will have the chance to get it right now. If this strategy got you excited, then smash that like button. And if you want to have more high profitability trading setups, then subscribe right now. In the meantime, I will continue to find more successful trading strategies and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!